Hopefully this gets a lot of views. If he wants to do this, he could take a picture of me and put it like the smallest photo of the shortest frame. And if you really want to waste your time putting it in 0.25 speed, you can do the honors of that.
Oh no, I'll put it in like a 1% clip. Okay. So yeah, basically that was a
fat chicken nugget 239.
Oh crap.
He might blur my face.
Wait, no. I can't say that, can I? Yeah.
In the arms of the baby. Ow. I smell mac and cheese.
I'm putting that in.
Oh!
Oh god.
Dude, we can't clickbait the viewers. 0 viewers.
Nice.
Cat, I guess.
Huh?
You're a cat.
Why?
Die.
Okay. Oh god. You're like.
That got hurt.
Ooh. I broke my skin.
I honestly don't know what this video is.
That's gonna be.
You got any bangs? Make mines.
Let me in, please.
Charlie D'Amelio, more like, I don't know.
Black-eyed Pelio.
Okay, I'm the cameraman now.
Are you filming yourself?
No.
Well, then you'll like this. Yo, we're gonna try some stuff today. Okay. Harison! Harison! Yo! It's cameraman Harison. Come over!
Why can't you come
Epic boys!
Hey, but duty that first.
Wait, no, don't get.
He's got a good chicken.
And yours truly.
Story.
All right, good one. Who rings the bell? James, be strong, James.